Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to transform this selfie photo to become this super artistic and also in Chiaroscuro style. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can open this Google AI Studio, and after that you can use this try nano banana like this. And after that I will start to upload the picture or the selfie picture, for example this one. And after that you can start to put the prompt like this. And don't worry, because I will also share this prompt into the description box, so you can check it out and you can let us know if this prompt also worked for you guys. Basically the prompt's gonna be like this: transform this picture into the dramatic and intense portrait painting frame in the dark minimalist frame reminiscent of Chiaroscuro technique. And also the subject is a person in profile looking toward the right side of the frame with a focused, serious, or the contemplative expression. And also their features are strongly lit from the one side, highlighting the contours of their face like the nose, lips, brows, while the rest of their face and head are plunged into the deep shadow. And also the subtle hint of red can be seen on the lips. And also they are wearing the dark simple clothing. And also the background should be entirely black or extremely dark, creating a profound sense of depth and also isolating subject. And also the lighting key like this: a single strong directional light source creates the stark contrast between the light and shadow, and also giving the portrait of a powerful, mysterious, and classic artistic feel. Well, overall, the aesthetic should be dark, moody, and highly artistic, emphasizing the form and expression through the dramatic illumination. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the result down here. Basically this is the same prompt that I used before to create this photo transformation, guys. And if you like it, then you can start to download it and it will be officially saved into your device. And also I will be honest with you, because using the same prompt you can also have the possibility to have the a little bit different look, maybe about the angle or the look of the, let's say, the shadow. So which one do you prefer? So if you would like to try to get another picture or the different look, so you can click this, rerun this turn, and kindly wait for the result. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.